Now we are not to nkyɛn so a krata no abɛsɛ hu adeɛ baako because Kotoko person call the next level right anytime abɛka krata free man siaba any the minim from mirror me na no 2 4 say 2 the minim nie mensia very clear mensia epe coach a obetimi e de Kotoko age Africa crew a so your points in here pa coach obetimi de Kotoko age Africa crew a consistently opaya kan Kotoko communicate anytime a Kotoko ebe power a new board task no account Kotoko ko fa coach nso a within the next 3 years okay say Dr. Prosper na togum dia no within 3-year period onboarding a very good team betimi a compete with Africa so obekaya so it has been very clear and with this man or the sanya mamienu niema miensa na ebro last season team baako a indiscipline ha na yie pa Ghana ha na Asante Kotoko and some be all cry man to radio so na be good for public consumption Asante Kotoko last season na enyo so it says a whole sense
no yes of course
a man for girls and the broken heart ni ade nti omo gina picture so ba broken heart nko a ti sa niema ni nyina si akrafo nko na no motimo me ni fifi man friend to studio na akrafo can you imagine enti niema esi no na bi asefem obi nso say players ni bi nso say media me chance aboso me beso me on say fm hey me ni botayo me ni vision bio me chance aboso me nso keke
waje ni pay
na me ti pay because mini buta ABS me
say mo man ni mo bi ncho de obedwina no no
mini buta ABS me ni so enti saa niema no Gabi na eno nso e wo ho
okay
but so ti asem ni yepa na wo ho enti se o ma coach aba pe coach an level no one ni mu edru ene Kotoko company for saa de ne say in Eric Tinkler where coach an mu edru so their friend discipline or the better team num secondly onu anwu abobo ni bi nso pen utie onim how our footballers behave onim omusu ban nyina na ye wade bi nso ho mpo a bi a player beye no eto da enye ni nyina mpo nso na bi a discipline no bi ade bi oho no a wobobo ni bi da no player ko firu ade bi obetena ase otimi ni di nkomo ma na yi because wabobo ni bi da onim ade etimi affect players performance
okay
but so ati ase enti sa na ma ni nyina no omo factor into play the other one also player development. So okay, Kratana, when notice say a boss yen developing players or you're very good at it. And I know see idea about Komoshe. And now Kotoko na wo say say no. Yen tia say Kotoko. Yen youth team. And Kotoko board ya abey botaye emi. Ye budget trophies or see a compete to Africa because men say here side ni free. But at the same time so yeah side no. I'll see it me say business and so agronum because football no and the basa mu nyina no sa na omo ye enye just about omoji trophies also it me say business and ono nso sa de no one ho enti no obeboa say in terms of winning trophies ya the discipline eba team mu no or the sa man be ma but we nso no say develop talent otonwa eyi so we would have to commend management name mum uni me problem
na first
I have a problem any timing no unim say your deadline e also the register players for Ghana 23rd August can FA communicate no mo issue you know 23rd August any deadline also the register players any date you say
any
18th August sorry any 18th July
yeah
so we have barely a month more to go Gabiti we have barely a month more to go. And if we have barely a month more to go, no be sound say one time be na coach never be identify talent or say or sign and no key because a bit you have say scouting team at the report near the ebeko but e be kra na not the anka coach never penyo enye eno because minimum scouting teams be omudi hat to folk utie has a scouting teams be echi omudi omu players be ma ewie no amfa entie bia na coach no scouting teams no obi on my interest no he enti me problem here timing no omo ya de but osan kom ye ntem that be meaning so anya me points na because of timing and I kept saying this last season kwa na Kotoko eja ni coach kwan no zito ekoy no that period no it was a period and no sanka quickly coach our person ordinary ba no Only the rentem na on players no and but the rest of the season na part of the pre-season. So what am I say?
Jude,
I am happy for Eric Tinkler. I'm hoping sir with the signing and the pen receiving am dia to Jano. E be ko sa ba Gabi. Okay. Me di manu no. Had to folk ekokofa coach by.
But yentimi nko house again.
No, me nko house. Had to folk ekokofa Watara by. Mokai. Watara eba no. Se na o kan ni CV and the CV pa meboa. Enye na ba say or the work of Morocco kra no. Do no nye head coach, but we and say head coach or the work of Morocco edge Champions League. And Timomen was there said Charlie Ghana for a very long time. Yenya coach o class high level. But eba no.
Jude me that.
I'm fine. And sometimes you bet me for CV no. Ebe all the there. And swan sha na said the all se niema kono. Na niema nko sa. Inti I'm happy. Yes, CV ni ye. But yen share how subsequently. And niema no ebeko.
Okay, me that say eno ye Jude Bafo so e de no.